Hello, hello, hello. I'm seeing if Divya is online. I can add her. Wait, let me just text her saying come online. What's up, Audrey? I'm doing this randomly. There's no purpose for this live, just here to talk about general things. You have your boards in 4 days. Wow. All the best and do well. Don't uh, don't get pressurized. They're just exams. I always tell this to people: if I can clear it, everybody can. I'm good. How are you? All right. Tomorrow is the 29th, I think. Yeah. In 1 hour, it'll be 29th, and Divya and I are going to do a giveaway and launch something special, and it's in collaboration with Disrupt Square. It's quite cool, quite cute, to be honest. Yes, I did win the contest. I really wanted that sneaker. Yeah, I really, really wanted the sneaker. I couldn't find it anywhere in my size, and Sneaky Mafia had it. So yeah, so Divya and I are going to launch something tomorrow. It's in collaboration with Disrupt Square, and it's something that we thought about, and we thought will be useful for a lot of people out there. So, which stream you have taken in 11th? I had taken commerce with maths. I have texted Divya. Maybe she's watching a movie. I'm not in Mumbai right now. I am in Bangalore. I came here for LCN 2020. Good fun. I was in Jain College, and the kids out there were really sweet and very talented people. I had a lot of fun. I've been traveling ever since this month started. नया शो में कब आओगे? बहुत जल्द धमाका धमाका मिलेगा आप लोगों को. Any suggestions for boards? To be honest, I would say you have prepared for a lot of months for your boards, and everybody takes boards seriously. Go out there and kill it. Don't stress too much. The moment you stress, then you tend to forget a lot of things. It happened with me, so don't let it happen to you. I still got 85% in 12th. Just don't worry, is all I'm saying. Boards are achievable. You can get good marks. It is, I think it's a myth where people say कि boards बहुत डरावने होते हैं. हाँ, आपके last exams होते हैं, but it's okay. It's perfectly alright. Just go in there with the mindset कि मैं normal paper देने जा रहा हूँ. Thank you so much. Probably the only influencer I like. Thank you so much. Ikshit, मेरे भाई, I am coming to Bombay tomorrow. We have a lot to shoot, lot to discuss also. 85%, yes. Kolkata, I'm really trying to come to Kolkata, but कुछ plan ही नहीं बन रहा. Any suggestions for guys who get drunk and run around the roads behind girls harassing them? I would say call the cops here. I would say call the cops. people who do it are mentally sick. In fact, most of a month I was traveling for this show called MTV Nishad, and it served a social cause. It was about sexual and reproductive health. It was about menstruation. It was about child spacing, and I got to interact and talk about a lot of things in front of the media. I think MTV has um, done a great job in educating the people, in telling the people about all of this, and a lot of people have a different mindset about all of this. They don't talk about all of this, and I feel it's okay to talk about all of this. I mean, if there's a lady in the house who is going through her period, it's okay to talk about. It's okay to talk about if she's okay. It's okay to give her a pad. It's perfectly all right. So the show is all about that. Just to be open about certain things, open to discuss about certain things. And a lot of people surprisingly had thoughts like the cell phone and the shows on the internet promote rape, and I had a huge argument about how rapes happened before phones and before these shows were made. And it's just about the mindset. It's just about how mentally sick those people are. So yeah, this was a really productive month. But next month is probably going to be the most special month ever. A lot of things planned, a lot of things going to happen, and just wait for it. Save this life. I will save the life. Today I was in Bangalore. I was judging a personality event, and a lot of guys came on stage talking about themselves, showcasing their talent, and I felt so good that a lot of guys who were not very confident were on the stage just to overcome the fear, and really appreciate the fact some of the guys were really talented. Some of the guys could really talk and catch the attention. So it was fun overall. Today was fun. You know Nepal? Of course, I know Nepal. Our roadie season was in Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country. It's a beautiful country. I'm actually leaving right now in about 15 minutes for the airport. I have been literally skipping to one state to the other. Literally, I was in Lucknow, then I was again back to Mumbai, then I again went to Patna for a few hours, again went back to Mumbai, then I went to Delhi for a day, then I am in Bangalore right now. Before that, I was in Jaipur. Before that, I went to Jim Corbett. So I've been traveling the entire month, and I haven't seen my house properly this month. How was the freestyle rapping? It was fantastic, to be honest. It was really good. I really appreciate people who can do freestyle rapping, because it's just being spontaneous and listening to one word and then just going about. Stop. Why stop? You should come online. Go live with that. Oh, you declined. Divya Agarwal declined my live, and then you slept. Why aren't you accepting it? No, I'm eating in my shorts. So I want to see your face. What logic is this? When is Valentine's vlog coming out? It is already out. I made parathas for Divya. It was fantastic parathas. What? How?
मैं ऐसे उठी हूँ without makeup
You were stuck.
in my
You were stuck.
shorts.
You were stuck. अरे यार
How?
दिव्या, एक तो your connectivity. You're coming in like you're coming in like dubstep. Frame by frame आ रहे हो.
Better?
Very nice. Very nice.
That means हमारे घर का वाईफाई कराना पड़ेगा ठीक.
अरे मैंने अभी किया है उनको पे.
तुमने शायद बिल नहीं भरा है.
मैंने बिल भरा है. मैंने कल लास्ट वीक बिल भरा है मैंने. The guy is my friend.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Chilling. घर पे चेतना
I
आई है.
was telling them about
ईशा आई है. अक्षित बोल रही. इक्षित आया है. We are planning for new stuff. थोड़ी brainstorming. तुम तो काम करते नहीं हो. सब हम करते हैं.
मैं काम नहीं करता. I was telling them about something that we're going to launch tomorrow.
What? Disrupt, I know.
तो what क्यों बोला तुमने?
ऐसे ही to just.
You okay? You sleepy?
No, I'm not sleepy. I just watched a very scary movie. Like, not scary. No horror. I watched something like Black Mirror. So you know how you go into that zone.
Can you stop watching shows without me?
The Circle.
No. Can you watch shows
amazing.
with me?
You know who was in here? It was Chetna Kapoor, the biggest critic in my life for movies.
So can you stop watching shows without me?
Okay, so you come and Chetna will again suggest us movies and we'll chill and we'll eat popcorn.
Now next time we talk about this show, I will be clueless and that's one spot I don't want to be in.
Okay, उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी.
मैं अलग से देख लूंगा.
Download it right now.
Flight में मैं क्या करता हूँ? I'll watch so many shows.
Yes. अरे Aisha is online. Yes, Aisha, the one with Emma Watson. It's amazing. Do you want to talk about it so Varun can just feel so?
And I can just cut you out.
No. You requested. I came in here. मैं खाना खा रही थी पर मैं वो छोड़ के आई.
क्या खा रही?
Without. मैं ऐसे आई हूँ एकदम ऐसे. वो जो मेरा वो घर का मुंह होता है ना सूजा हुआ वैसा.
तुम सो के उठे मुझे क्लियरली दिख रहा है. बट क्या खा रहे हो?
हमस.
पूरा दिन हमस. I was telling them कि मेरा इतना hectic.
वो हॉल से मैसेज कर रही थी फिल्म इज द सर्कल.
तुम लोग बहुत मस्ती कर रहे हो मेरे बिना. तू पार्टी करती है बेटा जब मैं जाता हूँ ना. Whenever I go,
तुम जाते हो तो हम ऐसे.
मैं इतनी मेहनत करता हूँ.
खाना मंगाते हैं.
मजदूर वाले हाथ हो गए मेरे. मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. तुम पार्टी करो बेटा. पार्टी करो. Very good. I was telling them how hectic Feb was for me and how exciting March is going to be for me and for you. Both of us.
For me, it was fun. No, for me it wasn't hectic. Ragini के बाद मैंने जो आराम किया है.
I'm saying how Feb was nice and productive. We went to Jim Corbett. We couldn't see a tiger, but
that was fun.
It was fun. It was fun and hectic both in terms of travel.
It's my life.
But March is going to be crazy.
Yeah, for you.
Both of us. Divya, come back to the room. What are your holy plans?
Huh? Holy?
I haven't played Holi in so long.
Ikshit, shut up. Ikshit is saying, sing a song. Isha's like, Divya, come back. Oh, mom's online. Hi, mama.
Mama, you were at a wedding. Stop being on a live when you were at somebody's wedding.
What's wrong with you?
Mom is at somebody's getting married. I'm sure somebody's getting married out there. And Mama's live, watching her live. My mom's quite a chiller. क्या कर रहे हो?
तुम मॉम को कॉल कर लो.
नहीं क्यों करूँ कॉल में? Mom is just randomly writing see you. I'll be home at 4
Hi,
o'clock.
hi.
So keep the. Oh, kya? Don't have
Bye,
me.
guys.
What? Go eat your
I have
food.
to go.
Go eat.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Don't sleep and keep the door open. I hope she wakes up when I ring the bell. 2 more minutes, then I have to leave because my car will be here. And this uh, light shall be ending in 2 minutes. And a couple of days back, I saw Divya dancing again, and I told her to um, start doing it again because she's really good at it. So you can expect a few dance videos from Divya. Really nicely shot by Akshit. I'm excited for that, to be very honest. She has been rehearsing and practicing, and it'll be fun. Chalo, my cab is here, and I have to leave. I have to pack my bag. Bye.
Had great personalities. I would keep the talent aside, but how they interacted with the crowd and the confidence that they showed.
Fast, go fast.
Yeah, say hi.
All of you know there was a contest on Sneaky Mafia about winning a pair of sneakers and getting them on a below retail price, and I won it. Thanks to all of you who voted for me, and I'm finally getting the sneaker. I'm really happy, and thank you so much. February has been a great month. I have met my family twice. I have worked on things which aim at a social cause. I have traveled a lot. I got so many sneakers, and yeah, man, I've met so many people. But March is going to be even better. Wait for it.